Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Usha HC423 Heat Convector. This is basically a hot air blowing device. This device can be used to heat your room, especially during winters. And this particular heat convector comes with 3 heating positions, night light indicator and height adjustment features. We have some more information on this side. It says that this particular heat convector comes with twin turbo design for fast and efficient heating, thermal cutout side vents to draw in air easily, 3 heating positions for faster and efficient heating wattage. The 3 heating wattages are 665 watt, 1330 watt and 2000 watt. 2 speed fans, basically 2 speed settings, and furthermore this device is also certified by ISI and comes with a 1-year warranty. That's more or less all the information on the box. I will now open it and show you what's inside. So there you go, this is what you'll find inside the box. You have a instruction manual for this particular heat convector. This is for FH423-812T HC3822W as well. Okay, so this particular document has a lot of things listed: precautions, identification of parts, technical data, safety devices, instructions. Also comes with warranty information right over here as well. So that's there. So this is the heat convector in question. This is the FH423 heat convector from Usha. It has, so this part is made out of metal. It has a lot of metallic components in it, but this part is made out of PVC plastic, and that's usually how it's designed. This is the front grille. This is where all the hot air will basically be blown out of. You can see the heating filament inside. We also have a main switch knob right over here, and we also have what else do we have? Let's quickly see what else do we have here. Yes, we have these side grills here. So just like the front grill, the side grills are used to take in air primarily. And this knob over here is what you use to control all the speed settings. There's a swing stand over here. This is what you use to adjust the height. So you can either put it down like this, or you can just pull the stand and get a bit of an elevation like that. At this end we have a very thick cable and a 3-pin socket. This is a 15 ampere socket. Unfortunately, I don't have a 15 ampere power socket on my end, a 15 ampere power output. I can't really show you what this actually looks like when it works. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Usha HC423 heat convector. Thank you for watching.